So if you're looking for a machining centre, but it needs to be bigger than a metre, Mark, we're here at the Matsuura Open House. I've looked at some of your VMCs before, but I've not seen this one, the VX-1500. Is this one of your bigger 3-axis verticals?
Yes, this is the biggest 3-axis vertical that we do, yes.
Tell me about the build on it to start with. I'm looking down here, I'm seeing your swarf extraction, your swarf augers, but I'm seeing 3 axis points on the Y-axis. How's it built?
Well, the machine has a maximum table weight of 2 tonnes, so obviously you put some very large parts on there. But obviously to support the table over such a large expanse of 1.5 metres, we need to add an extra set of rails under the centre just to give it the rigidity that it needs.
So being able to hold that weight and being built like that, does it slow it down at all?
Not really, it's still 40 metres a minute, it's still plenty fast enough for a 3-axis vertical. This machine we have here is 15,000 RPM machine with either BT40 or BT50.
1500 in the X-axis, is that correct?
Yes, with the 1700 table.
And then what about the Y? Because I know this is a big point for us always when we talk to engineers.
Yeah, the machine has 700 in Y on a 600 wide table.
Quite open access as well, isn't it? Double door, light, easy to see. I know these are simple points, but the aesthetics do make a difference as well.
It is. Also, when you're trying to load maybe a 2-tonne fixture plate or something into the machine tool, you've got multiple jacking or hanging points, so we need to have access through the top of the machine to be able to get large parts in.
And this is now a BT50?
This one behind is BT50. It's also available, as I said, with BT40, both with 15,000 RPM. And
when you get that speed, do you also get a bit of power here with a BT50 too? Because I know this Maxia spindle, they're very sturdy, aren't they? They're very well built, durable spindles.
Yeah, I mean, for sure. It follows the same specification as you'd have on maybe the horizontal H plus 630 and also the MAM72 63V with the BT50 as well. Also
interesting, you cover an area down in the south of the country. You do very well with the 5-axis machines and the horizontal machining centres. What about the verticals? Do they... do you sell a lot of them? Are they as popular as some of your other machines? Because certainly when it comes to machine tools, this style of machine, there's a lot more sold than a 5-axis.
Yeah, I mean, obviously Matsuura, we're known for doing lots of multi-pallet solutions, whether it be horizontal or 5-axis. But Matsuura have been selling 3-axis verticals into the UK for over 30 years. So, a lot of our customers that have multi-pallet solutions also want a 3-axis machine. But there's a lot of customers out there that aspire to owning a Matsuura, and this is an ideal way of getting them into Matsuura ownership.
If you had this machine for 7, 8, 10 years, would you expect it to hold tolerance in the same way it does on day one? I know there's a lot of factors and variants involved in that, but are you confident in this machine's longevity?
Oh yeah, for sure. We have some very, very tight tolerance components that customers are manufacturing on the VX-1000 to be exact, but in that instance they're holding less than 5 microns on Z height across the complete width of the table. So over a metre X-axis stroke, Z height within 5 microns is being achieved.
Built to last by the sounds of it.
Definitely.
So Matsuura are very much in this game, and if you're looking for a VMC that's bigger than the metre, so as Mark said, 1500 in the X and over 600 in the Y, 700 in the Y axis, then here's an option. Thank you very much, Mark. And it's in stock, isn't it?
It is, yes.